Hello everyone. Today I'm here practice speaking English. So okay, let's go. How to improve your English? Speak English is very important. Many people around the world speak English. If you can speak English well, you can talk to many people, make new friends, get a good job. So how can you improve your English speaking? First, you need to practice every day. Practice is very important. When you practice, you get better. You can practice with your friends, family, teacher, and everyone. You can talk to yourself in English. Say, "Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you." This is a good way to start. Second, listen to English every day. Lesson is also very important. When you listen, you learn new words, how to say the words, and how to make sentences. You can also listen to people who speak English by going to places where people speak English. Listen today and learning. You can ask your teacher, friends, and family for help. They will help you and tell you how to say things. Do not be shy. Speak English. The better you will get. When you see a book, you can think this is a book. When you are hungry, you can think I am hungry. When you are tired, you can think I am tired. When you think in English, it will be easy to speak English. Learn new words every day. Learning new words is very important. When you know more words, you can say more things. Okay, thank you very much.